which expression is equivalent to this. So automatically your keyword is equivalent. So you're going to type this on number 1 and each one on number 2 and to check which graph matches. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start typing this over here. Parentheses 144, tell your student to change all the letters to x's. X squared to the right, x to the 14, press it to the right to come back down, x, that's it, and then parentheses, and then you're going to go up, and then 1 divided by 2. So now that we have this one right here, we have this graph, we're going to see which one matches the green one. So I'm going to type in 12x to the 7th. So on this one, it does look like it is, and on these, just tell the students to zoom in a little bit just to make sure that it is exactly the same graph, because sometimes on these problems and the exponents, whenever you zoom in, you will see a difference like right here when it's really zoomed in. But on this one, it does really look that it's the same one. So we found our answer, which is F. So like on this one, I just put J just to check it out. And if we do this, it does look like if it's the same graph. But remember, I told you to just tell your students to zoom in. And once you start zooming in, you can see that there's a difference. Automatically, it's not exactly the same graph. So the answer is J for this one, and that one's not it. On the original, it looks like it, but once you start zooming in, you start seeing that it's a different graph.